This is a private road. It's clearly owned by the NHS, so that's actually quite a weird thing. I mean, legally, if a road was owned by the NHS, what would it be private or public? It's hard to tell. Like a weird legal thing. If it were like a road owned by a government department that's not the highways agency, or that's not directly owned by the government, but it's owned by another government department like the NHS or the Department for Education, rather than directly by the government or owned by the highways agency. So then, I'm now at a hospital. It's the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Let's see what lifts they have. This is the entrance to the hospital. Now it's the first lift, which is an Otis lift. It's a different lift modernised by Otis.
Doors closing.
Otis is a different voice for modernisations. Strange. It's hydraulic.
First floor.
The first floor appears to be mostly composed of corridors, which is a bit strange. Now to the next lifts, which they look a lot like the lifts they have in Marks and Spencer. Go down. ExpressEvans. What's this switch? Fan. You can turn the fan off. Now some more lifts modernised by Otis. And it's Otis, at least they're a bit professional. They made them a set at least. I think this hospital was built in the 90s. These were originally ExpressEvans, all originally ExpressEvans. And here you have this big, long ramp corridor. And now some Otis lifts. Hydraulic. I'm not sure, I think these are just modernised by Otis, not originally Otis. Hydraulic. And the way this runs is rather spooky, and the car interior is not spooky. It makes spooky noises. And the second floor is really tiny. I hope I can get to lift in that tower. And here you have this weird education area. It looks rather like a university, and a bus will leave these times. And you've got this weird American thing. I think this is probably in some theme park in America.